Okay, 5A and 5B, let's get this done. This is your last math assignment before spring break. Open your math book to page 665. Number 4, the answer is 4. Number 5, the answer is 9. Number 6, the answer is 3. Number 7, the answer is 6. Number 8, the answer is 13. Number 9, 11. Number 10, 18. Number 11, the answer is 9. Number 12, the answer is 23. Number 13, the answer is 20. Number 14, the answer is 7. 15, the answer is 18. Go to the next page, page 666. Number 16, the answer is 4. Number 17, the answer is 9. Number 18, the answer is 2. 19, it discusses rounding. If it is a half or more, you round up. If it's less than a half, you round down. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 plus 2 is 5. Number 20, this talks about rounding as well. Hopefully you explained about rounding on number 20. Page 667. Number 1, 9. Number 2, 4. Number 3, 16. Number 4, 1. Number 5, 7. Number 6, 12. The next page, page 668. Number 7 is 7. Number 8 is 3. Number 9, 7. Number 10, C. The next 2 pages are the pages you will be doing for your quiz, but I want to go over a few things before the quiz. And that is, do you know what a mixed number is? I talked about it yesterday. A mixed number is a number that has a whole number and a fraction. Here's an example. Here's the whole number, here's the fraction. It is mixed. That's what we call it. You should know the definition or the difference between a numerator and a denominator. The numerator is on the top. The denominator is on the bottom. The denominator tells you the total amount of pieces you have. The numerator in general tells you what fraction of those pieces do you have. Total and piece. That's what makes it a fraction. We also remember that we talked about the LCD, the least common denominator. We find in fractions that number that they can both go into. And look at this word, unknown. There are lots of unknowns in life. We don't know when we're going back to school. It is unknown. But in math, that term is used when you don't know something. It is unknown, but you do the work to find out what that is. You have a fraction, 3/4 minus 5/12. Here's an example of where you would get a common denominator. In this problem, it would be 12. We don't have to change the 5/12. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we can subtract 4/12, which reduces to 1/3. The biggest issue that some of you are having is simplifying. Please simplify. When you finish the problem, look at it and say, do they have anything in common? Can they both be divided by something? This one would be simplified or it would be wrong. Though both of these numbers can be divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. This is the correct answer. Look at this problem. 5 5/8 minus 2 1/5. You have not learned to get the exact answer yet. That's for after spring break. 5 5/8 though can round to 6. And 2 1/5 can round to 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Pay attention to the directions on the quiz. You'll be rounding, you'll estimating, and getting the answer. Let's suppose you had a problem where it's a mixed number minus a fraction. Can you do it? Yes, you can estimate it, round it, and subtract it. 7 8/15 would go to 8. 5 6 would go to 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So work on page 669 and 670. Take your time, think about it. When you finish, take a picture and send in. I'm grading it. It's a quiz, okay? And I hope that you are doing well. I know that you're ready for spring break. I miss you. I hope to see you soon. I hope that you have a very happy Easter and spring break. And I'll hope to see you soon. This is Miss Spafford.